Alright, huge shout out to Avalon King for sending me this out. Armor Shield 9. It's really well packaged. It's like it's pretty much a premium product, and it only costs about 70 bucks online, and they usually run some sales too, so you can get it even cheaper. And one bottle will coat, I believe you can coat your car twice with just one bottle. And it's very DIY friendly, so can't wait to try this out. This is going to be the first time that my car is ceramic coated. We're back at Martin's place today, and the car is looking absolutely fantastic. Let's check it out. So, here we go. Got the man doing his thing. So first we gotta clean it before we apply anything. So we're just removing all the little dust and particles that might be left on the car. It's looking really good. Okay, so Martin got it nice and moist.
You know it.
So it comes with a really cool bottle. Even the cap looks premium. Comes with a really nice box with instructions in it. You get like this little Avalon King thing, sticker, and a message from Danny and Dave, the co-founders of the company. Pretty cool. Dave's awesome. Yeah. Oh, and the logo on the side too. That's cool. And then you see it comes with a bunch of rags. You put over the bar that you're gonna apply it with. And even the rags have the, I don't know if you'll see through the plastic, but they have the, yeah, you can see it there, the logo is in the cloth. That's so sick. So get a bunch of those, and all for a really good price. So, happy with the product. I'll definitely use this again next car that I coat. See if it'll pick it up. It's a little dark. Oh, there we go, I got it. Comes with a logo on the cloth. That's actually pretty cool.
Yeah, that is pretty cool.
That's nice. So what do you think of the car?
It's good.
Not bad, right?
Yeah. I mean, I think this one so far is the one that I'm the happiest for the correction and everything.
Awesome. All right, so what you just saw happened a little over a month ago. So the headlights still look amazing. They are ceramic coated as well as the entire car. The wheels still look good. A little bit of brake dust, but that's okay. So here's an example of how the water beads. I'm not even going to edit this. This is just... It beads up and it's amazing. And you can check it out on the side. Rolls right off. And whatever's left just beads up. Makes it easy to keep clean because I haven't washed this since Martin detailed it and paint corrected it for me. And it's still... Paint looks amazing, and the ceramic coating really helps it stay in good shape. So just one more time. It's so much fun to watch. So yeah, the water just beads up. It is absolutely amazing. Alright, so it rained yesterday, and check it out. This has the Avalon King ceramic coating on it and just beads right off. The sides of my car is dry because, you know, it just slides right off, but look at that, it just beads. That's awesome. Huge shout out to Avalon King for sending out the ceramic coating, and huge shout out to Martin for installing it for me. It's really simple, it's really DIY. You saw in the video, it's really simple. It's meant for those people that like to work on our own cars. So if you like to do your own oil changes, if you like to do your own fluid flushes, your own brakes, tires, stuff like that. Avalon King is meant for the DIY guy. So huge shout out to Avalon King for sending me out a bottle. I was able to coat the car, and still a month later it still looks amazing. So if you guys need your own bottle, you guys can check out the link down below in the description. This is not sponsored or anything, I just truly like the product. And also thank you to Martin for installing it for me. I'll leave a link to his information down below as well. You guys can hit him up for any detailing and any ceramic coating install, paint correction. He he does all of it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, and if you want to see more Civic content, be sure to subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to keep living life at max speed. Peace.